Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Darshan and you are watching our channel Placement Talks. So today in this video we are talking about the internship opportunity for 2021. So government internship for 2021, 2020 and 2019 batch, that is short term computer science internship program, in short CSIP. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, then please do subscribe and press the bell icon. I will be updating daily job notifications here. If you press the bell icon, then you will be receiving the notifications on time. So let's start today's video. So today's video is all about internship opportunity which is provided by government itself. So government providing an internship for 2019 to 2021 batch, that is short term computer science internship program, as I said in short CSIP. So Aryabhatta Research Institute of Observational Science, that is ARIS, desired to engage students recently passed out Bachelor in Engineering and Technology or Masters in Science. So the job and the responsibilities are mentioned here. You can read it from this article. Presently, what are the projects available for interns are listed here. There are total 9 projects: software development, data management, big data, machine learning or artificial intelligence or deep learning, high performance computing, information retrieval and visualization, data center management, architecture and system, and knowledge and data representations. These are the 9 projects available for internship. Let us see who can all qualified for this. Undergraduate engineering students having completed or appearing in the 6th semester of a BE or BTech course from the university or institution within the India. So if you are completed 6th semester, then you can apply for this. And engineering graduates waiting for admission for higher studies or completed the or pursuing masters or postgraduates, then they can also apply. Like if you are completed your BE or you are doing a masters, then also you can apply. Master degrees in science and engineering, that is MSc, MTech, MCA from the universities and institution of India can apply for this role. Also, if you want daily job notifications, then you can join our WhatsApp group. The links are given in this article. So let us see what are the skills required for this. Strong object-oriented design and coding skills in Python, Java, C++ or C#. Not all languages, but you need to have a knowledge of any one programming language and some knowledge of Unix and Linux platform, and some of the ability to work fast, and some excellent analytical and problem solving skills, etc. are the some preferred skills that are mentioned here. You can read it from this article. Now let us see about this internship period and stipend and all. So period will be, the period of internship shall be at least 20 weeks. That means it is nearly half year. So the stipends are provided. The selected interns shall be paid a stipend of 10,000 rupees per month if no accommodation is provided. Otherwise, they will be paid of 5,000 per month if the hostel is not provided by the government. And the termination is, they can finish this internship within the period of time. They have told that 20 weeks, they can finish it before 20 weeks only. You will be getting a certification from this internship that can be used for other purpose, and that will be act as a recommendation for your job. And support is, interns will be required to have their own laptops, and they shall provide them working space, access to the high-end servers, internet facilities, and other necessities are provided by the government internship program. Now let us check the process to apply. Interested applicants will have to apply online for this internship. The deadline for this application will be 31st December 2020 and the internship will be begin from 1st February 2021. If you are pursuing your bachelor degree, then you have to submit a letter from HOD or the principal to the NOC. So this is the method to apply for this role. Next is the selection process. The candidate will be appearing an exam, the screening test. Based on your skills and your examination score, they will be shortlisting the students, and then they will be calling a HR and technical interview then they will be selecting you for the internship. So let us see how to apply for this internship. So to apply for this, you need to go to the link which I have provided in the description box. After that, you need to choose options. If you click on that, you will be redirected to the government official site. Here you can see all the details also provided in this article also. So to apply, you need to click to apply. If you click on this, you will be redirected to the application form. So here are 5 steps to apply. So first you need to fill your basic details like name, last name, your date of birth, and some of the basic general informations. After this, you will be asked to enter your education details. After entering your education details, you need to review and submit your application. That's the full process of application. So that's it for today. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. To get daily notifications, you can join our Telegram group. The links are given in the description box. You can also join our Instagram channel. Thanks for watching.